Are you wondering if you have enough save up for down payment to purchase a home? You might not need as much as you think. Stay tuned and let's find out. Bonjour, my name is Marine Wan and welcome to Northwest Living with MN Homes. One of the biggest misconceptions for first-time home buyers is how much you need to save for a down payment. Take a quick couple of seconds right now and ask yourself, how much do I need for a down payment? I bet a lot of you thought 20%, right? Contrary to popular belief, you do not always have to put 20% down to buy a house. Let me break it down here. A recent survey by Point2 Homes mentioned that 74% of millennials, that's between the age of 25 and 40, say that they are interested in purchasing a home over the next 12 months. The study notes 88% say that they have significantly less savings than the average national down payment amount, which is right around $72,000. I can sense some of you already doing the math in your head and thinking, oh, that's not too bad in Seattle. But hold that thought. We're talking national average here. According to the National Association of Realtors, the median existing home price for all housing types in August was around $210,000. So here you can see where the $62,000 number comes from as being the 20% people think is required for down payment. 20% down payment might be the perception, but here's the reality. NAR also indicated that in 2019, the median down payment was 12% for all buyers, 6% for first-time buyers, and 16% for repeat buyers. That means that if a qualified first-time buyer purchases a home at today's median price of around $310,000 with 6% down payment, it comes out to be a little over $18,000. If you think $400,000 or $500,000 is more appropriate for your area, then it will be around $24,000 or $30,000, which is still far less than the perceived 20%. There are programs like FHA that allows as little as 3.5% down payment, as well as other programs that waive down payment, such as USDA or Veterans Loan, also called VA loans. The bottom line is this. If you have been thinking about purchasing a home but wasn't sure if you had saved up enough for down payment, be sure to talk with a professional in the industry to see if you can, or at the very least, find out what you have to do to get ready to make the purchase. The key point here is not to have you thinking you can just go out there and buy a home, but to encourage you seek professional advice early. It can be someone working in the lending industry or someone like myself or other seasoned agents that you can trust. Knowledge is power, and there are plenty of it out there if you seek it out. So how about it? Would you still wait to save up the whole 20% for down payment? Or has this changed your mind a bit? I'd love to hear what you think and answer any question you might have. So leave a comment below, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week.